Hello friends, welcome to my channel Infin Insights. First of all, I want to thank you all for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. For those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification icon, bell icon to get the notification on the latest videos. So guys, today I will be discussing about aloe vera. As we all know, it is a medicinal plant and it has many benefits for our skin as well as for our hair problems. It treats dandruff, it helps in better hair growth, it gives us glowing skin. Like these, there are many benefits. So I have done a different video on benefits of aloe vera for hairs. Today, I'm only doing the video on benefits of aloe vera for skin. So, what exactly aloe vera does to our skin is it moisturizes our dry and flaky skin. It soothes the irritated skin, helps with signs of aging, and it also helps fighting it with acne and fades blemishes, removes dark circles and puffiness. You just have to take that gel and massage it over your face, leave it overnight, and you will see the wonders it does to your skin. Now, coming to the DIY face packs for different skin types like oily skin, normal skin, and dry skin. First of all, I will be discussing with you about the oily skin. Why do we have oily skin? Oily skin is nothing but is the result of the overproduction of sebum because of these sebaceous glands. So these are glands which are located under the skin surface. Sebum is an oily substance that is made up of fats. It is not at all that bad if the secretion is limited, but because of the over secretion of the sebum, the skin becomes oily and which leads to clogged pores and acne. So, to stop this problem of oily skin, I am here with a face pack which, if you are applying twice a week or once in a week, in fact, you will get the benefits within 2 to 3 weeks of that. You have to just take aloe vera gel, add in 10 to 12 drops of tea tree oil to it, make a smooth paste, apply that on your face, and leave it overnight. If you want, you can massage this paste for 5 to 7 good minutes over your face. Okay, and then you can wash it in the morning. Apply this twice a week at least. We'll talk about the dry skin now. This is the major problem that we face with dry skin is that we have to moisturize it very frequently, and for that we all use those chemical based products from the market that are available. I would rather suggest you all to use natural ingredients as much as possible. We have plenty of them in our kitchens, right? So now what you have to do is you have to take one cucumber, blend it, add 1 tablespoon of honey and aloe vera gel to it. Use natural fresh aloe vera gel if possible. Apply the mixture and leave it on for 20 minutes. Wash your skin and moisturize it as well. Now coming to normal skin, I personally feel that these are the blessed people with the normal skin. What you have to do is you have to mash one banana in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and if you want to add rose water, you may, otherwise, you can skip this step. Mix it well, apply it on your face, wait until it's dry. After it is dry, you can wash your face and you have to moisturize your face as well. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I would request you all to like this video, share the video with as many as people you can, and subscribe to my channel, Infin Insights. Thanks a lot, guys.